Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use credit cards smartly, so let's get started. Credit cards can be a powerful financial tool when used correctly, but they can also lead to debt if you're not careful. The first rule of using a credit card smartly is to only spend what you can afford to pay back. Treat your credit card like cash and avoid making purchases that are outside your budget. Another important tip is to pay your bill on time every month. Late payments can result in extra fees and may negatively affect your credit score. Setting up automatic payments or reminders can help you avoid missing due dates. It's also a good idea to pay your full balance whenever possible, instead of only making the minimum payment. Paying only the minimum can lead to interest charges that make your purchases much more expensive over time. Take advantage of rewards and cashback programs if your credit card offers them. However, don't spend extra money just to earn rewards. The goal is to benefit from rewards on purchases you were already planning to make. Keep track of your spending regularly through your bank's website or mobile app. Monitoring your transactions can help you stay within budget and quickly spot any unauthorized charges. Finally, avoid applying for multiple credit cards in a short period of time unless you truly need them. Managing too many cards can become difficult and may impact your credit profile. When used responsibly, a credit card can help you build credit history, earn rewards, and make secure purchases. The key is to stay disciplined, pay on time, and spend within your means. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.